Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of chemical kinetics, and its name is rate of formation and concentration. Let us see our first example and then we will be able to understand this topic. At 323 Kelvin, the rate of reaction for the decomposition of N2O5 at a particular instant is 2.74 into 10 exponent minus 4 m per second. Calculate the rate of formation of O2. The reaction is represented below. 2N2O5 in gas state transform into the 4NO2 gas form plus O2 gas form. Solution. Now as rate is equal to formation of O2, so rate is given to us, so formation of O2 will be equal to this. Now example 2. In the decomposition of hydrogen iodide, what is reaction relationship between the rate of decomposition of Hi and the rate of formation of H2? So general chemical reaction equation is 2Hi transform into the H2 plus I2. So by seeing the chemical reaction, we get 1 upon 2 minus dHi differentiate between respect to dt is equal to differentiation of H2 with respect to dt. It means time. So this is our relation, because rate of formation of reactant is rate of decomposition of reactant is always equal to the rate of formation of the product. Okay, now let us see our example third. In the formation of the ammonia, this is our equation. N2 in gas form plus 3H2 in gas form gives us 2NH3 in the gas form. The rate of consumption of hydrogen at a particular instant is 4.78 into 10 exponent minus 4 ms minus 1. What is the rate of formation of ammonia? So we know that rate of formation of product is always equal to the rate of decomposition of reactant. So 1 upon 3 bracket differentiation of H2 with respect to time is equal to 1 upon 2 differentiation of NH3 concentration with respect to time. Hence dNH3 upon dt equal to 2 by 3 minus dH2 upon dt. So it's equal to 2 by 3 into 4.78 multiply 10 exponent minus 4 ms minus 1. It's equal to 3.19 into 10 exponent minus 4 ms minus 1. Okay. Now let us see our example number 4. The rate constant for decomposition of N2O5 at 340 Kelvin is 5.20 into 10 exponent minus 3 per second. This reaction follows first order kinetics. Here is also M. If the initial rate of decomposition of N2O5 is 2.6 into 10 exponent minus 4 ms minus 1. This was the time. Calculate the initial concentration of N2O5. So general chemical equation: 2N2O5 in gas form transform into the 4NO2 gas form plus O2 in gas form. So minus dN2O5 upon dt is equal to KN2O5. Hence N2O5 equal to 1 by K minus dN2O5 upon dt, which is equal to 2.6 into 10 exponent minus 4 divided by 5.2 into 10 exponent minus 3, which is equal to 5 into 10 exponent minus 2 m, capital M. And I hope you have liked this video. Thank you very much.